So guess what just came back from 380,000 kilometers away? Moon rocks. But not just any moon rocks. These are the first ever samples from the moon's far side thanks to China's Chang'e 6 mission. And they're telling us something wild. Turns out the far side of the moon? It's way drier than the side we usually see. Scientists analyzed basalt samples from the South Pole Aitken Basin, and the water content in the mantle there is shockingly low. Just about 1 to 1.5 micrograms per gram. Compare that to the moon's near side, where some regions show up to 200 micrograms per gram. That's a massive difference. This isn't just trivia for space nerds, although I mean it kind of is, but it also points to something deeper. A hemispheric water split inside the moon, one side soggier, the other bone dry. And this could change how we understand the moon's entire history. See, many experts believe the moon formed from a giant impact between Earth and a Mars-sized object. This new data could help refine that theory, especially how water, or the lack of it, shaped the moon's evolution over billions of years. Here's where it gets even cooler. The near side, particularly a region called the Procellarum creep terrain, is rich in thorium and other elements that don't blend easily into magma. Water acts the same way, so it makes sense that areas with more thorium also have more water. The far side? Not so much of either. Bottom line? These fresh samples are painting a clearer picture of what's going on beneath the moon's surface. And they're helping us rethink the water story of our closest cosmic neighbor. So yeah, tiny rocks. Huge implications. If you're into space science, this is the kind of update that reminds me why we keep going back to the moon. Because every time we do, we find out it's way more complex than we thought.